Tell me about your company.
Yeah, we are actually in the machine shop facilities. We have a lot of critical machines. We have Haas, ST30Y, Terminal Centers, and VFD 3YT. And we are very happy with the Haas actually. And we are now just booking UMC 500 with the 5-axis continuous type. So we are really very encouraged to get the results from Haas.
So how long have you been working with us? How many years?
Almost 6-7 years. Yeah. And this is the third machine we are buying today. We have just booked in IMTEX on Haas stall. And I'm thankful for the senior people, Terence, Gupta ji and Purushottam. They have given a very good service. And I'm very happy.
So how was the after-sales service, sir? Like, how was your experience?
Yeah, it's really great, and they have a very good knowledge team, and they give the results, and they also attend the problems in time. So I'm very happy with that. Yeah.
Nice. So how do you feel coming to our stall?
Stall is very good, and it's remarkable that you have presented a lot of good products, innovative products, and people are really like getting bad out of these products.
Sure.
And I'm really wish all the best for their future.